In this video, I'll walk you through 8 steps to get started with Yoycol. Step 1. Create your Yoycol account. Go to yoycol.com, click sign up and get your account. It's super easy and completely free. Step 2. Connect your store to Yoycol. Yoycol integrates with platforms like Shopify, Etsy, and WooCommerce. Step 3. Choose a product to sell. Head to product page and pick one from our online catalog. Step 4. Upload your design or use our free design library with our mockup generator. Step 5. Add in your product details and price. Just keep in mind that your retail price minus that Yoycol production price will be your profit margin. Step 6. Publish this product to a store. Step 7. Order a sample. It's not mandatory, but we do recommend it so that you can be 100% confident about the product you are going to sell on your store. Step 8. Start selling. Now go ahead and make your first sale. You'll find plenty of useful tips, trends, and insights on running your POD business on our YouTube channel. So make sure to subscribe to Yoycol Print on Demand and turn on the notification bell. Thank you.